Today, we have an exclusive first look at the new iPhone 17. We've got news on the new colors, and also got plenty of information on the epic new upgrades. Make sure to like this video, subscribe the channel, and watch this video until the end. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So, it's really not been long since the iPhone 16 released, and we're already getting plenty of information on the 17. But to be honest, it was exactly the same last year, and then a lot of the information turned out to be very accurate. Before everything, we've got news that the iPhone 17 Pro models are set to feature the new A19 Pro chip, built using TSMC's advanced 2nm technology. Apple will be the first to adopt this groundbreaking chipset, which is expected to boost performance by 15% without increasing power consumption, significantly improving overall efficiency. We have also got news that iPhone 17 series will include a graphite sheet to help with cooling, and the Pro Max model will also have a vapor chamber system. These additions will improve heat control, boosting the overall performance of the devices. Big changes. The standard iPhone 17 models are getting a major update with a 120Hz LTPO OLED display, a feature that many users have wanted for years. According to a report, all iPhone 17 models will have a 120Hz refresh rate, eliminating the previous gap between models. Over on the Pro models, we get another big display change though, and this time, it's the dynamic island. Many leakers are advising that it's going to be the first iPhone to feature an under-display Face ID sensor, although the camera is still going to be in the form of a punch hole. Now, this has been reported by many leakers for quite some time now, and it's thought that Apple could do away with the dynamic island entirely on the Pro models. But one of the analysts released a report to say that the Face ID is now going to use a meta lens, which means it's still there but it's flatter and smaller, and that the dynamic island is still going to be there, but its size is going to be reduced. So we're going to have to wait and see. Next up, we've got the news that Apple is going to be upgrading to a 48-megapixel periscope camera in the Pro models to increase the quality of the zoom shots. And the selfie camera is also going to be getting upgraded to 24 megapixels. But unfortunately, these changes are going to be for the Pro model only. We've also got news that Apple is going to be using their own Wi-Fi 7 chips for the iPhone 17 series, and the Pro models are going to be getting an upgrade to 12 GB of RAM for epic performance. Next up, we got the first look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max, specifically the new product red color that's been rumored to make its return. And again, it's important to note that these are not real, and they're 3D renders created based on the latest leaks. But they give you a good idea of what you can expect from the new iPhone, with a new full-screen display and a punch-hole camera. Now, I am going to go through the full specs, design, and the expected pricing to help you guys decide if it is worth the wait. So like this video, hit the subscribe button now, and turn on the notifications for our future videos. iPhone 17 Pro, and this comes with a 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display. It's coming with a resolution of 1206 x 2622. It's protected by the next-gen ceramic shield, and it's coming with a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. We get the new under-display Face ID sensor, which means there may not be any dynamic island at all, and we're instead going to get a punch-hole camera top center for a full-screen display. Now, the selfie camera is upgraded to a 24-megapixel selfie camera. Then, over on the rear, we've got a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, a 48-megapixel periscope, and a LiDAR scanner. It's powered up by the 2nm A19 Pro chipset, and it comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. It's powered by a 3600 mAh battery with an upgraded 50-watt fast charge, and it also comes with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC. It will, of course, come with iOS 19, and it's expected to launch from around $1,050 and again is coming in mid-September. Now, there's no doubt going to be a lot of focus being poured into Apple Intelligence over the next year, with Apple trying to capitalize on the power of their chipset, and the upgraded RAM to go with the Pro models is going to offer a lot more versatility. Now, of course, given its similarities with the predecessor, I don't think anyone with a 16 is going to be rushing for an upgrade. But for those of you with older iPhones or looking to get their first iPhone, then of course, it could be a great choice. There's still quite some time to go until the iPhone 17 official launches, but as we approach it, more and more information is going to come in, and I'm going to be sharing it as soon as update information comes out. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to Spec World channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the future updates. Best wishes, and take care, my friend. See you in the next video.